Hello world, Genergy on the ground. Today we are in Garage's car, a workshop that use our lighting devices, the Fireflips in 200 and the 200RC, some giraffe for lighting, more from height, more from the field. Well, let's see how they work and let's see how they feel about the devices they've been using. Good morning, Cesar. How are you doing today? Hey, nothing much. They informed me that I'll be coming. And here I am. The first thing I notice is an Audi. Yes. Oh, how wonderful. This is not that.
We put it on all the cars too?
Come on, it seems like a great idea to me. Hey, I'll tell you, I saw you working here, but I came because they told me that you use lighting and energy systems. All right, and what is the detailed outcome?
Well, incredible it is that he names very well, very well, more focused on the work, and we have more enlightenment.
Absolutely, of course. Let's take a look. We have these enormous giraffes used in construction, equipped with numerous spotlights. However, this particular guy decided to pick me up. It truly is remarkable how effectively they perform their tasks.
Concentrated.
And since it's from above, you don't have the shadow?
Sure.
Of course. And what I see is what you say is that you have very concentrated lighting in the workplace.
You are very focused. It's not like what you said, that in works you need more illumination, more distorted, so to speak. We need
more concentrated. And Cesar, one thing that surprised me when it came in now, because of course I see that you have the alternating current one that allows you to regulate, okay? And the total shutdown. But what I found very curious is that this one takes 2 batteries, but nevertheless, you also use your power station to have it. This is wonderful, huh? Cesar, this is a wonder of the few times I've seen clear. And here also see what it is consuming. That is 77 watts. Is it consuming the lighting right now? Well, the truth is that you have it well set up. Do you only have this equipment or do you use some others?
We also use the little one.
The RC for Firefly 200 come from the...
Come on, I always come the little one, the big one, we take it that way. Yeah, we got him here in this car.
Oh, come along.
Do you know him better?
Yes, it explains to me where they have the remote control. Yes, because it also has the base at the command. How good. Okay, what have you guys been working on this car?
Yes, we are diagnosing car oil leaks and a noise that the client has.
Of course, look at that camera. Realize, of course, I understand you. We are going perfectly, Cesar, because what I'm seeing is that you have the light focused on the workplace again. I'm going to look here without the trapeze suspension arms block. Yes.
We have everything concentrated. We work with more lighting so that the eyes don't get so tired, because there is no lighting that the eyes get tired.
It's a lot more tiring. Yes, plus this rested light is how good it is, right? If I don't remember, yes, I do, I know. He drives it every day, but I know myself. This you have to guide different people.
To different areas of the vehicle?
Of the car, that is, you have the client at a given time or here. And you may be doing an inspection of different parts of the car.
Yeah. And it was very good, because you don't have to move it from place to place. You always have it connected to the same place, and we can direct it from the wall to all the places.
Of course, yes, because the head both rotates from left to right and will rotate from top to bottom to focus different lighting points. Look how good we see here. Yes, the bellows mechanism operates smoothly.
Yes, here as you can see, the oil loss is perfectly visible as well, yes?
Hey, I'm really excited about that one right now. I love this and I love the result, and that I use them. It's worth it.
Result is incredible. I already tell you, look, mine is already asserting itself that it shines a lot. And in this workshop, there is no shortage of lighting, which we just started a short time ago. We have to enlighten ourselves more. And since there is little lighting, well, with that we get more lighting and we go to what we are in the plate made to see things well seen.
Well, I have nothing to correct you, it seems to me. I leave the command where you had it. I don't want it. I take things in my pocket without giving them away.
Cesar discuse.
What about the world of the car? Well, you work hard.
We have a lot of work. We already have a waiting list of a couple of tables.
Which is enough for the little time. We have already been a year and a half, and the truth is that things are going well.
People speak well of you, I have to say.
But I hope so. We try to make everyone speak well of us to see everyone. It's impossible for him to speak well because everyone is going to stay sometime, but at the moment we are trying to do the best we can.
Yes, I think you are good professionals. I see that you have jobs. You have an elevator 1, 2, 3, there's 4, then 5. In other words, do you have to develop and grow? Well, I love your workplace, and above all, I feel proud that you use our lighting systems, that we really go. I'm crazy with joy. Look, I'm going to change. Take a close-up here, please. I don't want to leave without, because I feel tempted to start manipulating looking at you. Look at what workplace rather lit. It's incredible how well it's working, how well the giraffe works. Hey, I can take off the power. Okay, I just want to know why there are usually more of them with the look, with the battery, with their batteries, right? What? Well, yeah, this keeps you mobile. You can even raise it higher, right?
Yes, because the other day it stops. Repair engines, when you have the engine in the boom, so since they are repaired better than ever, you must not be able to put a spotlight in front of you, because to repair engines, when I repair them or headstocks, or that the issue of this.
Because you can put it down. The person who had tipped me off told me that you had this type of equipment of ours. He was telling me he'd been seeing you with the car in the elevator the other day. With the giraffe on, the fire flip on the inside, this little one as you call it, and the other one on top, that is, you make real ones. Well, I think good jobs. Well, we are not going to entertain ourselves anymore. This is very clear. This is a way of use that had not occurred to me. It has occurred to working people like them. So here we are going to say goodbye to the video, and as I always say,
I always say a cool phrase.
Forbidden to stop learning.